These are the best ways to save lakhs on tax when you sell your house. So when you sell your property after 2 years, then you attract long-term capital gains. It is taxed at a flat rate of 20% on the profit earned after considering the inflation. So first, if you have a property on joint ownership, then capital gains can be divided as per their share, so each party can leverage their individual basic exemption. Second, you can also reduce by adding selling expenses like brokerage fee. Third, if you are living in house, then you can keep the receipts of all the expenses made on renovating it. Fourth, for 100% exemption of taxes under Section 54, then reinvest in buying a new property or government bonds or invest in capital gain account schemes. Hit the follow button. At last, know the reality is the path to your prosperity.